Hey, what's your name?
Hey.
Welcome to Texas Shooting Range. Welcome to Texas Shooting Range.
My name's Baby Fat Patrick.
So what are you here to today? You want to shoot the revolver?
What's your biggest gun?
Oh, man, it's this big boy. Yeah, I'll show you what I can do.
Oh.
But be very careful. It can overpower you, and it can. Someone broke their back because of it. They would have got pushed back, so you have to be careful.
Okay, let me reload this real quick.
And I'll just be shooting a regular old pistol.
Okay, let's see this.
Please don't.
Oh. Oops.
Do you want this revolver for free since you're brand new?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see what Texas Rifle can do. Yeah, here.
Oh my god.
See, this bad boy can shoot big guns. You want to see this shotgun? I think this is your size. This is your size.
Okay. Try it out.
Okay, we got the Russian AK. You can clear ceiling. I can. It's on me apocalypse.
I think I'm pretty good.
Yeah, but
I think I'm pretty good.
But can you try this bad boy?
Oh my god.
It spams.
Okay.
Don't you dare steal from me again. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? You never steal from me again.
Oh. Dun dun. Die!
I'm gonna shoot you.
Die!
Cut. Then, since you stole my gun that I paid for, you gotta see what Texas can do.
No, please no.
Actually,
Please
no.
don't.
This is too. That's harmless. I gotta bring the big guns. Actually,
please.
no, it's my favorite.
You can't do this.
I can,
can't.
because this is Texas.